without causing any disturbance. Remove the leech when pricking pain or itching at the site of the bite is observed. Apply Haridra and bandage tightly. While sucking the blood, simultaneously they release certain chemicals, anticoagulants, vasodilators via their saliva, which is having therapeutic benefits of iridotherapy. Indications: eczema, psoriasis, deep vein thrombosis, varicose veins, thrombophlebitis, non-healing wounds and ulcers, leukoderma, filariasis, malignant cysts, swellings and tumors. Kativasti. It is a type of local Snigdha Sweda where warm oil is kept at the Kati Pradesha for a prescribed time. The patient lies in prone position and the Kati Pradesha is encircled with thick black gram paste for retention of the oil. It acts effectively as it is applied at the site of lesion. The black gram flour is well mixed with sufficient quantity of water. Into a thick paste. It is then made into flat slab-like structure having length about 45 to 60 centimeters, thickness of 3 centimeters and height of 5 centimeters. Patient should lie in comfortable prone position, exposing the kati. The prepared dough is fixed to the area in circular shape. Taking care not to cause any leakage of oil. The oil should be warmed over the hot water bath and poured slowly inside the ring. Its temperature must be maintained at 40 degrees centigrade by replacing a small quantity of after reheating. After the prescribed time, oil should be removed with the help of cotton. After removing the dough, the body part is cleaned with lukewarm water and the patient is allowed to take rest. Treatment duration 30 to 45 minutes. Usually it is done for 7 days, 14 days or 21 days. Indications: lumbar spondylosis, intervertebral disc prolapse, disc degenerative diseases, lumbar canal stenosis, rheumatic paraplegia, sciatica. This procedure can be performed in the areas like Griva, that is Griva Vasti, Janu Vasti, and named accordingly. It is a Shamana procedure. Kaya Seka. Kaya Seka is a Snigdha Sweda in which the warmed oil is poured all over the body or specific part for a stipulated period in a specific manner. It has the advantage of producing Snehana and Svedana simultaneously. Patient should sit on the dhroni with legs extended with minimum claws. Thalama is applied with suitable oil along with Karnapurna. Gauze should be tied around the head above the eyebrows. Ear should be plugged with cotton and oil smeared all over the body. The oil for seka should be heated in a vessel kept in a hot water bath. The temperature of the oil must be maintained. The cotton pieces dipped in the warm oil and should be poured by squeezing cloth pieces. The oil should be flow in a uniform stream from the thumb facing downwards from a height of 6 to 9 inches as per the condition. The process should be carried out in a 7 positions as follows: sitting, supine, right lateral, supine, left lateral, supine, and again sitting. Prone position can be adapted if necessary. Oil flowing out should be collected and used after reheating. A gentle massage should be given along the stream. The oil is wiped off with the help of coconut leaves or tongue cleaners. Body should be cleaned with a soft towel. Talama should be removed and applied Rasnadi Churna on the head. Treatment duration 30 to 45 minutes for 7 to 14 days or 21 days. Indications: paraplegia, hemiplegia, and all other neurological conditions. Takradhara. Takradhara is a variety of Sirodhara in which medicated buttermilk is poured in a continuous stream over the forehead in a specific manner. Since it is done as a Snehana therapy, no Purva Karma is needed. The patient should lie in supine position on the droni. A small pillow should be placed under the neck. The Dara part should be kept in such a way as to allow steady flowing of the liquid poured into it over the forehead of the patient. The tip of the Dharavati should be 4 to 5 centimeters above the forehead of the patient, and total wick length should be 8 to 10 centimeters. The takra falling should be poured again into the vessel after collecting it from the droni. The vessel should always be kept oscillating so that the takra will fall into the patient's entire forehead without interruption. Treatment duration: the process should be done daily for a period of 7 to 14 days for 30 to 45 minutes. After Dara, the head is washed with Amlaki Vada, then head should be wiped with a towel and Rasnadi Churna is applied. Patient is advised to take rest for a half an hour. Indications: psychosomatic disorders. Sirodhara with oil. It is a type of Bahya Sneha in which suitable taila is continuously poured on the forehead and then allowing to flow over the scalp from a specific height. It is usually done in anxiety, insomnia, neurological, psychological, and psychosomatic disorders. Abhyanga should be done over the face, neck, shoulders, and chest. Gauze is tied around the head above the eyebrows of the patient. After closing the eyes, cotton is kept over the eyelids and it should be tied with proper bandage. Earplugs should be applied. Patient should lie in supine position on the droni with a pillow under the neck and the Sirodhara device should be placed near his head. Eyes should be covered to protect from oil with cotton and gauze. Its height should be fixed such that oil should fall from a height of 4 to 5 inches in a continuous stream of little finger thickness. Serrated coconut shell should be placed inside the apparatus to maintain uniform Dara. Oil should be heated just above body temperature and poured into the Dara Patra. A continuous stream of oil should be allowed to fall on the entire forehead. Uniform oscillation is required for uniform Dara. Simultaneous massage with other hand should also be done. The oil should be recollected from the droni, reheated and poured back into the Dara Patra. Gauze and earplugs should be removed and head must be wiped off with the towel. Rasnadi Churna should be applied over the head. Hot water bath can be done if prescribed. Treatment duration 30 to 45 minutes. It may be done 7 or 14 or 21 days.